welcome to our channel WebToTech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to add accounts to your favorite on Instagram. This feature is handy for keeping track of updates from your favorite creator or friends. So without further delay, let's get started. First, open Instagram app on your device. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are on the home page, scroll through your followers or use the search bar to find the account you want to add to your favorite. As I'm doing here, tap on that account to go to their profile. Tap the follow button which is right below the profile picture. After you follow that account, again tap on following button. Here you can find the option to add to favorite. Tap on it. Once the star beside the add to favorite turns red, it means you have successfully added this account to your favorite. You can see the favorite accounts by clicking on the tree line on the top right corner. Now tap on favorites which is on the bottom of the screen. You can see your favorite accounts. Also you can add or remove the accounts as you like. So this is it for the video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.